Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to describe a picture. Today we are going to describe 3 pictures. Let's start with picture 1. This picture shows a bathroom scene. A mother is bathing her young child in a bathtub. The child is sitting inside the tub happily. The mother is washing the child's hair with soap. Foam is on the child's head. The mother looks caring and gentle. Water is dripping on the floor. A green shower curtain is behind the bathtub. Shelves are fixed on the wall. Bottles and towels are on the shelves. A yellow towel is hanging on a towel rod. Another child is standing nearby. That child is wrapped in a blue towel. The child looks wet and cold. A mat is placed on the floor. The bathroom looks clean and bright. The mother is kneeling beside the tub. The children look safe with their mother. It is a family care moment. The picture shows love and responsibility. Let's describe picture 2. This picture shows a cozy living room. A woman is sitting on a sofa. She is reading a book. An old grandmother is sitting beside her. A grandmother is knitting with yarn. A ball of yarn is on the floor. A cat is sitting on the back of the sofa. The cat looks relaxed and happy. A young boy is sitting on a chair. The boy is holding a book. He looks excited and cheerful. Curtains are hanging on the window. Sunlight is coming into the room. A flower pot is kept near the window. The furniture looks neat and clean. Everyone looks comfortable. The family is spending quality time together. The room feels warm and peaceful. No one is using a phone or TV. The picture shows a happy family moment. Let's describe the last picture, picture 3. This picture shows a grandfather sitting on a sofa. He is reading a storybook. 2 children are sitting close to him. The children are listening carefully. The grandfather has a white beard. He is wearing glasses. He is pointing his finger while reading. A cat is sleeping on the sofa. The cat looks calm and lazy. A dog is sleeping on the floor. Slippers are lying near the sofa. The children look interested in the story. One child is sitting cross-legged. The other child is lying comfortably. The sofa is blue in color. The room looks quiet and cozy. Everyone is relaxed. The story time looks enjoyable. It is a beautiful family bonding moment. The picture shows love and togetherness. Thanks for watching. For more picture description, like, share, subscribe to the channel.